Hey there VR fellows, and welcome to GreenHellVR, a survival-based VR game that has pretty high graphics for the Quest 3. Now, let's go ahead and start. A new game? Tourist, sanity off, hostile traps off, peaceful mode with nothing, a walk in the park. Welcome. For now, I was gonna do this nutrients, discipline, map displays here. For now, we're gonna do walk in the park, so that way I ain't gotta worry about no sanity. I'm already losing it every day. Every day, I tell you. Wow.
Okay. I'm here. Hey! I made it!
Is everything alright?
Yeah! You can come up!
You do know you have the walkie-talkie, right?
Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so this is how I channel through my options. And
you can come up.
Just go ahead. I need to find something in my backpack.
I bet you want to nap some more. I know you all too well.
It's kind of creepy.
Oh, maldición. Can't hide anything from you.
Very well.
Yeah, okay.
You can catch up, yes? The path leads through that canyon.
I know.
I want to just oh, I can aim where I throw it. I want to throw it at my wife. Don't clip me saying I'm going to throw a machete at my wife. Please, I beg of you guys.
Oh, have you tied down the boat?
See, Jake, I know this might sound stupid under the circumstances, but I am glad we came back here.
Oh, that little piece of shit.
Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, the place is beautiful.
Yeah.
Still, we can't forget what we came here for in the first place. I know.
What the?
But as soon as we're settled in,
why isn't I'm able to aim where I throw the? Oh, I'm able to turn.
What if they will not speak to us?
I'm able to turn on.
Come on, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Shut up! I don't know why I'm able to just turn on the throwing thingy for this and nothing else. What, would that be for would that be really necessary? I mean, yes, my wife. My wife's the best wife. Damn it! Oh, I see why it would be useful. Yeah. Damn it! Oh my lordy lord, bro. This is a nice camp.
Okay, I found the tent.
Is everything alright?
What's this? Doing. Oh yeah.
Spacious interior, luxurious cots, not all that fancy. Oh, and there's a dirt floor.
As long as it doesn't leak, I am fine with it.
Soul Trail always delivers. At first glance, it looks like we have everything we might need.
Perfecto.
Go. Yay!
Well, that's everything. We're officially settled in.
You know what that means, don't you?
I remember the agreement, but maybe we should reconsider this. I'm not sure it's the best idea for you to visit them alone.
We have to do this. It's the only way to make them talk. Oh, don't worry. It'll be alright. Better pick up some wood.
Whoa! My game just had a massive lag spike.
Romantic canned beans.
Use your imagination.
Wow. Set the campfire.
Matches.
I'm coming to kill you, Mia. Damn, you're hot.
You seem so calm.
I am calm. I don't know how to explain it, but
her mouth is not moving. Can I skip this? Skip tutorial? Yeah, please. I would like to get into the gameplay. Guys, I'm so sorry. I accidentally turned off my headset.
Pon this. Joder.
Mia!
I want to go itch my head
Mia?
and I accidentally turned it off. Oh,
God damn it, this radio.
no scratches or anything. I'm fine. Ooh. Fresh water. Wait, can I cup it? Can I cup my hands in the, like, not cup my hands, but like, cup? Oh, hell yeah. Fresh water. Now, this game we're gonna have to worry about our food going, dank, as locals call it. Oh. I have about 3 backpack slots for food. That's always nice. Wait, can I cut down a tree with this? Just like... Oh, I'm stuck. Wait.
Hello? Can anyone hear me? I had an accident. I don't know what happened. Please, help. Over.
Wait,
anyone. Fuck.
We have to be careful, because I'm pretty sure there's a snake or something over here. So those you really want to grab onto, because they'll really fill you up. And they're really good. Oh, my game's got a massive lag spike. Yep, there's a snake right there, so we gotta be really careful about that. Whoa, big guy. Can I go back and grab the rock? And armadillo. Where'd the rock go? Here it is. Big stone. I wonder if I can smash the snake with it. Damn! Damn! We just killed that snake, bro. How about them apples, bruv? No, these are the good. I don't know, I'm losing my mind already. Okay, so this is like the really good place to set up base in this game. Ew! Wait, what? Oh, this is where we can like sleep and stuff like that. Stick, bird feathers, they'll come in really handy for making bow and arrows. I'm sorry. Come on. Crafting? Nope. Small stick. Already got this part handled. Hey, that scared me. And I'm the one who freaking grabbed it. Okay, I'm a wimp. Capybara? What the flip? There's a capybara on this game. Okay, that's quite nice to know. Okay, I like the. Man, I love the nature. I love not being able to have to deal with my wife. What the flip? I did not mean to fall down. Can I get back up? Oh! Oh my gosh, do I have anything that could heal that? Please? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the worst timing to get hurt. Oh no, dude. Oh no. What is this? Oh. Oh, now we got ourselves an axe. Come on. I completely missed. Okay. Can I still throw a rock at it? Yes, I can. Yo! I actually killed the iguana. Holy moly, dude. Okay. Health. Can't. Like, I seriously cannot. Oh, that's poison. Like, I cannot remember to save my life. Literally. God dang, dude. I think it's like a flower or something. Should not have skipped the tutorial. That probably would've... Nope. Give me your meat and your bones. Wow. I think this is like a safe spot. Yep. Okay then. Ow. Wait, these. This is a nice view. There's another rattlesnake. Brr. Oof. That's nasty. This is some nice water. Well, this is a nice place. I think we could end off the video. If you guys want to turn this into an actual series, let me know. And I gladly will do so. See you guys in the next one. Or, before I actually do in this video, make sure you like, subscribe. That's what I'm going to say. Let's beat GreenHellVR to 500 subscribers. See you guys next one. Bye!